The India Bloc alliance called on people of Manipur to save democracy by ending the dictatorial rule of BJP in the ensuing 18th Lok Sabha elections. The alliance convened a press conference today at CPI Manipur State Unit Office, Irabod Bhavan. Speaking to media, CPI Manipur State Unit Secretary L. Thoiren accused BJP of triggering the present communal strife in the state. Thoiren said the alliance will support Congress candidates Bimol Akoijam and Alfred K. Arthur as a common candidate in the ensuing elections. Former Secretary of CPI Manipur State Unit L. Sotin Kumar said the persisting situation in Manipur since May 3 is the result of incompetent ruling BJP both in the state and center. He accused BJP of using unconstitutional ways and means to stay in power.
Then like-minded party na Frangelaiva magi consensus candidate my panba aiba si both hill and plain gi beli yamadi outer gi inner gi candidate ani my pan ba sa Manipur da praja miyam da sense of involvement, sense of belongingness, sense of responsibility je koi praja miyam le pham thoi.
Now, former Chief Minister of Manipur and CLP leader Okram Ibobi said the internally displaced who have abandoned their homes after violence erupted on May 3 are still languishing in relief camps. BJP government has not taken up any visible initiative to allow displaced to return to their homes. Ibobi said 2 Congress candidates were fielded to contest in the ensuing elections in the interest of the people and to save democracy.
Akoi isa ki party ki individual loiba madugi ideology principle ado dom preserve tawraga akoi na thengna gadori base mangda lariba chauba kadai dano akoi ki sangvidhan adu kadai dano akoi ki democracy kadai dano constitution haiba mayam sigi future gi maraiba leihidra leroidra socialism ji leihidra leroidra Manipur se India se dictator gi shasan na koi mahut sinigradra sahi manga gi manungda amukhatang yam tangna phangwa democratic right che unna khanju khanbiram gani Manipur si yamna aruba tanjama lakpasida koi masida yade haidra koi na thingaudragadi Manipur gi maraibak India gi raibak che yamna aruba tanjam da la e haidra abil si tawjari